Hey there, thanks for watching. This is video 3 of a multi-part series of videos on ETL with RapidMiner, which is Extract, Transform, and Load. You can find some more videos on my blog at vancouverdata.blogspot.com or on my YouTube channel at youtube.com/user/vancouverdata. So in this video I'm going to talk about how to normalize or standardize a column and how to discretize a column, or to make it take real values, make them discrete, and also how to recode values. Okay, so I got the German credit data, which is available on my blog, or at a couple other sources as well, such as University of California Irvine data sets. Okay, and basically it's got 1,000 rows, 30 columns, and it's consumer credit information, so this is information about the customers and whether or not they paid back their loan. Okay, and so one thing you might want to do is to normalize a column or several columns. In some algorithms like KNN, nearest neighbor, if one column is substantially larger in scale than another, then that will make the distance calculations more heavily favor the larger column and kind of ignore the smaller column. So in that case you want to normalize, which means it's got a few different definitions from different people, but basically make it between 0 and 1 is one definition of normalizing. Another is Z transformation, which gives it a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. Okay, so to do a 0 to 1 normalization, use the normalize operator, pick the attributes you want to use, so we'll use amount, select range transformation, and then 0 to 1. And that the amount is somewhere between 0 and 40,000, I think, but this will scale it between 0 and 1. Okay, so there's the amount there, and you can see that the range is now 0 to 1. Okay, and a Z transformation gives it a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. Okay, and you can do that to multiple columns as well, so you can go all columns or subset them. You can also discretize a column by a few different methods. We'll just do frequency for now. Okay, so that would take a real value, like, 0 to 100 with decimals as well, and you can put it into various bins of any size you want. So say you wanted, good, bad, or great, or small, medium, or large, or you hit a rank. You want a ranking between 1 and 5. Then you could use this operator to do that. So we'll take amount again. Okay, and we'll put it into 3 different bins. Okay, so now it's nominal, and it's given it 3 ranges, so range 1, range 2, and range 3. So from negative infinity to 1500, 1500 to 3300, and 3300 and up. Okay, and you can also change the name or the range name type. Okay, I'll just call it range 1, 2, and 3, and then you could have a little legend in your report showing what those were. Or it'll show the range of the actual numbers as well. I like the longer one, just it's a little bit clearer. Okay. And also for recoding values, you can use the nominal value modification map operator. Okay, so say we wanted to some computer languages use 1 for true and 0 for false, and other ones use 1 for true and -1 for false. So say we wanted to change the response value. because the response here is 1 and 0. Let's say we want to change it to 0 or 1 and minus 1. And you go single response. Okay, replace what by what? So we're going to replace 0 with minus 1. You gotta, since response is a label, you gotta hit include special attributes. Okay, so now it's 1 and minus 1. You can do that with a whole variety of values. You can set up multiple mappings and multiple columns, or you can have a chain of different map operators as well. Okay, so that's this video. The next one coming up is going to be talking about deriving values with functions and merging columns. Thanks.